you can check out the new Flash on the Cyclone with a new control panel as well, or a new control box, which has still got some graphics to be installed. But I have to say the ride is absolutely gleaming in the sun. All the cars were redone. And again, sunshine makes everything. And there is still, as we said, some graphics to go on, but they do look far, far better than what was on there. Down at the mine train, all ready to roll. Obviously, they have been open for weekends since February, and they were open for February half term. But of course, Easter really is kind of where it all comes together for the start. It's beautiful blue skies today. A couple of iffy days coming, but actually it looks quite nice for the first week of Easter. And the reason why we say, obviously, it all comes together is the fact it will see Jungle Splash open for the first time in 2026. Now, the cars haven't been loaded yet. However, they will obviously be loaded before the Easter holidays. And as we have a look, you can see the cars. We did see them briefly whilst they were being refurbished. They're actually refurbished in a different workshop to kind of the Dodgem area they use. But everything has been done, replaced. They've been refiberglassed. This is all brand new. All the padding's brand new. All this is brand new. They are shining. And I can tell you now, I can smell the paint to how shining they are. All new wheels. Everything has been done on them. So they are looking fantastic as they are ready to go back on. 5 boats ready to go back in. They've replaced rollers in here, so at the moment they've just got to tighten the belt, get the belt tension right. We found that out from Chesington as well. It's one of the hardest jobs, is the belt tension, and this will be up and running in a couple of days. Dragging his plates back in, he's all painted. In fact, this is just a beautiful example ride, this. Absolutely beautiful example. And of course, Dragon Ride has been open, ready to roll for Easter. Now, Cyclone stop testing now. We can get a little bit closer, have a look at the new ops cabin. So that's been completely rebuilt. All the steel work around there has been done as well, which is why some of the signage isn't up or secured quite yet. But the main thing was to change the signage on there. You know, they don't use lights on there. They're not open that late. Although they do have a late night one coming up, it won't really be dark. So they want to go with kind of better graphics rather than lights, which is exactly what they've done. So yeah, all this needs to obviously go back on, and that's all here ready to go back. Some of it's been placed in and some of it has not yet, but all this structure is all brand new, refreshed for this year with the boards waiting to go. We have something new, which is the fire blaster. Now you recognise these are quite common in fairness, and this one came from Paulton's Park. That's where this was. This was down by the Water Kingdom area, kind of by the wave swinger as you head down to where Valgard is now. They've removed it and it's come down to Funland, and it will be here for the year. These are great fun, in fairness, absolute great fun. And it fits really nicely there as well, like really nicely there. Whilst we're down here, we will show you the other rides and attractions. Again, everything all ready to open for Easter, the big bank holiday period. Got the balloons, Jurassic Safari, Aztec Falls, and of course the spinning coaster are all ready to go. There are a few deals on over the Easter period. We'll check those out. We'll show you again the opening times, and of course on the Saturday, as well as we head into the Easter, over the Easter weekend, they do have their 80th anniversary evening, which is at a bargain price, an absolute bargain price. If you are thinking of coming down, the evening might be a good one to come down for. As we check the spinning coaster, yeah, all ready to roll. We have the standard token price here, 36 tokens for £20, 24 for 15, 12 for 10, just give you an idea. 3 tokens, Dragon's Rush, 2 for the little rides, I think 4 for the big one. So you get on quite a few rides actually for the price. The best deal obviously comes in the wristbands, where you have unlimited all-day rides between 11 and 5 for £22. And you can get family wristbands as well, which brings the price down even further. Or you have an afternoon wristband between 2 and 5 for £16. For the anniversary, which is the 4th of April, Saturday the 4th of April, put the graphic on the screen now, it gets even more reduced. It is 4 hours in the evening with fireworks for that price. It is absolutely crazy. Weather should be on side as well, and you can get down here and enjoy some rides and attractions late in the afternoon, evening, which is really, really good. But Funland, ready to go for the Easter period here. We will definitely be down to check out the rides.